this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a bag. I love this cute little bag. It's so pretty. Look at the pearlized on this designer series paper. This is the Share What You Love designer series paper stack. You can now order this. It started May 1st, Tuesday. And you can get the bundles now and get your hands on some of the new product before the new catalog comes out, and they're so pretty. Everything on here you can get except for the Pear Pizzazz is our regular ribbon, and the stamp set is the A Good Day stamp set that I'm using on here. But you can get the doilies in those bundles. You can get the tulle, polka dotted tulle ribbon, and the little doily, did I say the doily? And the designer series paper. Yeah, it's so cute. But I wanted a different kind of closure, so I thought this would be cute to do it on both sides. Because usually on a bag like this I'll use a clip or I'll put a hole in the middle, and I really thought this would be cute, and especially with this tulle ribbon. It's so cute. I love it. So anyway, this is the bag that I'm sharing, so let's get started with it. So you're going to need the designer series paper. All the information on the bundles and stuff will be, I'll post it on my blog. So you can go there and check it out. Alright, so this piece of designer series paper is 11.5 by 6. And then we're going to go ahead and score it. And on the 11.5 inch side, I'm going to score it at 1/2. And if you watch me, you know I always score the 1/2 and 1 inch on this side. And then 2, 6, and 7.5. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1 inch. And then turn it again to the other long side and score it at 3/4. Or you can score it at 1 inch and 5 3/8. But I thought it'd be easier to tell you the 3/4 because I know a lot of people don't like the 1/8 inch marks. So that just makes it a little easier. So on the 3/4 inch side, we are going to fold that over for our little, isn't that cute? Looks so pretty. So use your bone folder, and I know it's going to be a little hard to see on here, so I hope you can see. There's a little rectangle here we're going to cut off, and this is our glue tab side right here. This is the 1/2 inch mark right there. And then up each one, like I normally do, you're going to cut to that first score line. And I'm just taking a little bit out like I always do. And then we're going to do the same here. I know it's difficult to see. I have to kind of turn it and get that little reflection to see where I scored it. And that is all the cutting we're going to do. Now we are going to use our bone folder again and really sharpen these good. Because this designer series paper is awesome. It's really thick. It's perfect for a bag or box. And then we're going to do the same with our bottom flaps. I am going to use the tear and tape because I need to start using it. Since Fast Fuse is going away, I need to really start using the tear and tape again. And it's really easy to use. I just burnish it down really good and then use my little, I always call it a poker, to get off the backing. And then we're going to line it up. And then this will be my back. So we're going to put these little flaps in, and I'm going to use some more tear and tape On here, you'll probably still see me use fast fuse because I'm going to use mine up. I did get a bunch when they had it on sale not too long ago, so I'm going to just use it up. But the tear and tape is really strong adhesive. Oops. That other half. And then make sure your bottom's square when you close it up. And on a bag like this, I like to run my bone folder on the inside to make sure it's sealed really good. Okay, so let's see. I almost can't see where my back is. There it is. So this is the front. I'm just going to squeeze it. And this part, I have to use my big hole punch because I want to go through all the layers. And if you don't have one of these big punches or one of those handheld big punches, you might want to just punch each layer at a time, each layer, to go through all of them. But since I have this, I'm going to go ahead and use it. And we're just going to punch a hole on this side. Gotta make sure I got it. And it's even hard going through all these layers with this, but it works so good, and it's perfect for something like this. And then I do this side, and it punches through all those layers. But if you don't, you can just mark it, punch one and then mark it, and then punch the next one and mark it. But it would take so much time to do it in the video. So I'm going to use, I need to put my doily on first. So these are the new doilies. These are the pearlized doilies. And I'm going to cut it in half. It has on the pearlized size, and then it just has like whisper white on the other side. But I'm going to cut this in half. And we're just going to use a half and save the other half for another project. They're really pretty. I'm just going to add some, I think I'm going to use some snail if I have any. Yes, I do. And I'm going to set it underneath here, the little, I should have done it before I folded it over, but last time I slid it under there perfectly, but of course, you know, I'm doing the video now, and it's going to give me a little bit of a hard time. Let's see. There we go. You want to center it between those two holes that you got there. There we go. So I'm going to take my pair of Pyjas, and I'm going to cut about, I'm just going to cut maybe 10 inches. No, let's do 8. And I need to, I guess I did that one about 9, so I'll just do 2 the same. And then I'm going to cut some of the polka dot. And then we're going to run these through. I'm just going to layer it on top. And I did use my little tool here. And I'm putting it in this way because I want the ribbon to be on the inside. You can always turn it if you don't get it that way at first. Try to look and see if you have the same amount on each side. And then I'm just going to like double knot it. Don't forget to put your stuff inside before you do this, or you're going to have to untie it again. So I'm just double knotting it. You don't even have to double knot it. I think it'd be fine. I just like the little bit of fancier knot at the top. And then let's do the other one, and then we'll trim on the same size. I love this tool. It is so cute. I know I'm going to use it a lot. I got one free. I got like almost 3/4 of a roll free at On Stage. If you watched my haul, you probably heard me talking about it. And then I bought another one. So you're going to probably see it a lot. Okay, one more. Okay, now let's just trim those. So you don't really need, I think 8 inches is way more than enough for each side. So isn't that cute? Aren't they cute? The little, and you can straighten it and make them go, you know, how you want it, but so cute. I think this side's a little bit longer. Okay. All right, so now we're ready to stamp. And guess what I dug out? I dug out, oh, the stamp set. The stamp set is this Good Day, and I'm using the Just Because. And I'm stamping it twice. I dug out my Blackberry Bliss, because that's the color that's in here. So we are going to stamp it once with Blackberry Bliss. And I can't believe it's super juicy still. And then I'm going to wipe it. Clean it off, and then I'm going to stamp it with my Old Olive. I could have done Pear Pizzazz because I used that ribbon, but it says it's Old Olive in the Designer Series paper. Okay. Now I'm going to use my little 1-inch circle punch, and I'm going to punch. You can do it either way. Let's do the sentiment. Let's do this backwards like I did the other one. I punched the Just Because out in the Blackberry Bliss last time, and so let's do it the opposite and see what it looks like. And then this is the 1 3/8 scalloped. And I'm going to use dimensionals. And pop that up. You can even use the same color if you want to keep it, but I thought this was cute. And then I'm going to use one for the back. And we're going to pop that up right in the center of the doily here. Just like that. And that's it. Isn't that cute? I love the ribbon and stuff. So here's the other one. This one I did the Just Because in the Blackberry Bliss. I did it the opposite. But both of them are cute. I like the Just Because in the Blackberry Bliss because you can really see it. But they both work. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies or if you want to order any of the Share What You Love bundle, you can do that on my blog. I have a shop right on my blog. It's stampingwithamore.com. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.